Good morning. Hi, everybody. So now, today we are going to talk. It's Tuesday, and again, we know that the result season actually has started. The first South India Bank again that is reported, and then numbers are going to come in the form that TCS again is going to announce on 12th, and then we're going to talk about Reliance Industries. So some of the results, in fact, heavyweight results are actually in this week. So my first actually observation is that IT stocks they actually have started seeing buying. So I'm expecting the IT stocks to outperform this week till the time we actually hear the first result from TCS. So expect a sort of bullish move from IT stocks today, tomorrow, I think, and also on Thursdays. I think the next 3 days, because TCS results are usually around the evening. So I think over the next 3 days, I think we should be expecting good up move from IT stocks. Second observation would be that in terms of the companies like from the chemical pack, then again companies from textile pack, and then also a couple of stocks like from IT, then stocks from like Reliance Industries, those again could be outperforming in the market right now. The texture is at present that Nifty is looking quite bullish. I think 10,100 is where actually a lot of traders are expecting. The bets are actually towards the Nifty is going to actually close above 10,000 and it's going to move towards 10,100. Am I saying that Nifty basically is looking for a material very large breakout? No. At present, the range is 9,800 to 10,100. I expect a sort of resistance to come around 10,140, 130. So I think that should be, I think, what the strategy is. So at present, bias is up. Mid caps are still looking much more positive than the Nifty. Bank Nifty, no major direction. So far, what we can see, the resistance is around 24,320 and then 24,500. So perhaps Bank Nifty is going to inch towards that, but there is no major move there. Nifty, I think, is looking much more convincing. Then I think the next question comes is that because 12th Industrial Bank is also there, so perhaps private banks are going to move. And I like Yes Bank. The way Yes Bank basically is moving up, it's looking good on charts again. Then in terms of private banks, Yes Bank and Industrial Bank they top the chart. So I think Yes Bank basically you should be looking at with great interest. Again, then in terms of some more financial names, IDFC Bank, watch out, those two stocks are showing very great signs of accumulation. So perhaps those two counters are looking really great. Then again, some more stocks like Tata Elxsi again and also SRF, both two stocks are showing some great signs of accumulation and great signs of up move breakout. So again, those two counters are also looking very great. Now in terms of chemicals, again, I really like how Gujarat Alkali has been doing. So I'm quite bullish on caustic soda, chloralkali prices. So I think with that perspective, perhaps Gujarat Alkali is looking a great bet at present. So just watch out those counters also. Then again, some more stock like TVS Motors again from the two-wheeler pack is looking really interesting. Good sort of channel breakout. In fact, it's a very strong breakout, strong up move, strong accumulation. Since the September sales have been announced, that TVS Motors has been charting its own course. So I've just taken the names like TVS Motors, IDFC Bank. Then I've taken the names, some more names, just Yes Bank, like Yes Bank. And there are a couple of other stocks which have been doing really well. Gujarat Alkali amongst the one. Those actually have been registering very good sort of smart up moves. SRF also amongst the one stock. So these are stocks which you should be really looking with great interest here. Now apart from that, I think the buying was also observed some of the textile names, and then also you observe some of the realty names also are doing really good. But I think I always like to stay away from realty unless and until I have some very good strong conviction about one of the realty names here. Overall, whatever stocks I talk about, usually they are for near term. I never actually say that intraday or any such sort of thing. There are always underlying reasons for that. Underlying reasons usually take time to play for. So maybe near time these actually are looking really good because of their own underlying bullish reasons. Overall, if I summarize for Nifty, bias is upwards, it's bullish. I expect a close about 10,000 very, very soon. Again, Bank Nifty is not looking too bad. Then also, in terms of stocks, I expect chemicals, I expect private banks, IT to outperform the markets. And just watch out for some of the private banks, like I just highlighted. I just talked about some of the names. I think that's the theme for today. If you have any questions, let me be posted about it. And overall, have a good day. Take care.